Hey guys, I know we came from a blank space, but it's still okay, because I am actually in fake handcuffs. Now I'm playing a game. It's where the player, which is the first player, gets arrested or fake caught by doing something, and they have to intentionally get handcuffed. The second player has to put the key, which is called a magic key, somewhere, and they have to find it. So it could be in a counter, a closet, outside, anywhere. And then, I also got this new ring. It's called an emotion ring. Those things that cause your emotion, which way if you're... I am normal, it says right here. Wait a second, I need to be here. But I'm actually in handcuffs. Now, I'll show you a way to actually get out of your playing handcuffs. Now, these are just fake. You put them around your legs, behind you. See, right here? You can't get out. Hurt it. But then you kind of small it. But this is toys. I mean, if you actually did, just a showing for your toy game. And take out some of these wrench. But I mean, this is easier because I'm pretty sure everybody knows this is how to do it. This is just a toy game. It's actually cutting my hand. It's cutting my skin doing this. So, playing your video or game, or like a Vine if you have vlogs, Vines. You can probably subscribe. Yeah. If you have a certain channel, tell me in the description if it was like games and everything. Tell me what kind of games you play. Play games. See, I'm out, but it causes you some pain for your outage. But what you need to do to get it, see right there? You have to put it up. These are just toys, so these are easy. Alright, you got the food? No, I don't have the food. 9:30. Well, you better get going. Bitch. I'm just eating a sandwich right now. We were at the arcade. Basically, I know I may be leaving you right now a little bit. Because it's basically strange.
Anyway, I'm around.
Ow. Ant.
Do you have any idea how difficult
it is to
see my ex-husband?
Basically...
That's my point,
I don't feel good. I have a stomach ache. I know, it's strange. I have a freaking stomach ache at this time. I feel like I'm gonna... I won't feel good. I feel like I'm gonna fart soon. I feel like I'm gonna fart, like, when I sit down.
I'm sorry. I can't marry you. What?
Yeah, Mom. It's a flap, Guston. We want arcade. Where's the beach? Yes. Imagine I got sandwich. Yeah. Basically, Isaac. I know Isaac. Now I forgot Tell me how you actually say your name. Isaac Karen. Just C-A. I forgot how you say his name, but it's Isaac. So Isaac, who commented on my first video, farting, said, "Hey Julian, this is Isaac Carnandez. Oh, it's Carnandez. It's me, Isaac Carnandez, Julian, and like talking about everything. And I said like a long comment about me being at the beach and everything. So hopefully you can like comment back or probably like give a like. It's fine. I got 4 likes on there, but I mean I have subscribers, but I just look at it. But yeah, you're going to be mentioned in my YouTube video, Isaac Carnandez. Last night we went to go get some donuts. Some monsters in the club. But basically, Isaac, you're actually spotted in my video. I know, and hopefully you can watch this and hear this and everything. But Isaac, you are spotted in this video. And now, if you go to the farting video for me, you see Isaac Carnandez. So Isaac Carnandez on the comment. Now I would want you to like him or subscribe, or if he have videos, but like him or subscribe or give a good comment back to him. Also, I got this new ring. It's cool. It's called. Don't you know? It's an impression ring. I can't freaking hold this, but it's an impression. Here it is, right here. So yeah, Isaac, you're spotted, and I am going to get you to get likes and make you probably a good time. But we went to go get seashells and everything. And he's my friend. He's at school with me. So I know him. He's a good friend. Oh crap! Did it seriously leak? Oh my god, yes it did. What's this thing? We went to the I Love Sugar place. We went to the arcade too. Got like a few things, just little. It was handcuffs from there with it, and then they got a candy, that cow's tail. It's a really good one too, but yeah. Isaac, you're probably getting likes just whoever watches this video. So, exactly. We stayed here for 5 days. Eating a sandwich, actually. Didn't mention it, but hopefully you can look at kind of this. Or Alex and my mom. I know she's actually subscribed and everything. I know it's kind of strange, but Alex and Isaac Carnandez, please subscribe to the channel. He could be to the army. No thing. I'm gonna need to make like a sign, like a peace sign or something, like like I'm gonna do this at the end of the video. Something like PewDiePie and Jacksepticeye, where they go, like that. So yeah. And hopefully you look at like PewDiePie's or Jacksepticeye's videos and everything, because they're pretty cool too. So if you just mentioned, oh my gosh, you should subscribe and like them and everything. I'm sure they're pretty cool. Even though probably they don't know me, but I've subscribed and liked videos. I've commented everything, and also getting kinds of vlogs and stuff, or like TV. Okay, I subscribe to Sky Does Minecraft, Jacksepticeye, PewDiePie, I think TDM, I'm pretty sure, Danger Dolan, Watch Mojo. Yeah, I've done subscribes like lots. Yeah, so hopefully you can subscribe to the videos and everything, and I will see you on the next vlog. Now, bye, bros.